Alright, so yesterday I tore out the garden, the raised garden that was over here, leveled everything out, sorta kinda, and we're ready to put in this pond, and I'm hoping that all will go well. I think the hardest part is gonna just be digging it out, so we'll give it a shot. Looks like we already got some people that have started. Are you digging? What are you digging?
I'm digging some more.
Are you digging for a pond?
Yeah.
To put a pond in?
Yeah, the pond right there behind you.
We'll see how it goes. I'm hoping that we can have a nice little pretty pond with a little bit of a waterfall on it, so should be good. I sure do hope this turns out okay because it looks like a huge mess. I didn't think it was going to be this hard, but we'll get it. Alright, so I think I'm finished. I got it in. That was a brutal process, digging through the Kentucky clay. Got all of this mounds of dirt here. I had to use the Matic shovel. That helped me get through the rock and the roots and whatnot. But for now, I'm going to jump in the pool and get cleaned off. Woo! Okay, so I got the pond in, somewhat level. Stella and I got the rocks around the edges, and now we're going to fix the water fountain, put a tarp over it, get the filtration set up. It should be about good to go. Clean it and get it going. You have fun doing this?
Yes!
Yes. A few trips to Lowe's,
Yeah.
and then a garden center to get our rock.
Yeah.
Rock and roll!
And it had a tank like us. It had a tank like us.
A tank like us?
Yeah.
Oh, the fountain garden center had a fountain and pond inside the store. That's what she's talking about. Let's get going. Edwards, help me gather some rocks. Which ones did you get for me?
All of these.
Those round ones?
Yep.
Good job. He also fed the turtles and they did eat. Good stuff. You like it?
Uh-huh.
Alright, so the next step in the process, now that the pond is put in place, a few little things I got to do here and there, but nonetheless, it's pretty much ready. Now I have to go get some goldfish, so me and the kids are out to go get koi or whatever it is they want to sell us. So, off we are to PetSmart. Time to lay these guys in, or ladies, whatever they are. Okay, here we go. Time to lay it in gently, like this, Edward Daniel. Just like that. Like so. Just like that, that'll work just fine. And we keep it there for a few minutes. Well, we'll eat dinner and then we'll come back out and we'll release them, okay? The time has come, Stella Rose.
What?
The time has come to let them loose.
We don't get the turtles in here anymore. Oh, buddy. Are you okay? Whoa,
There we go, straight to the bottom. Typical fish. Okay, it's been a couple weeks and I think I'm pretty much finished with the project. The hardest part, no doubt, was digging the hole, and then there were a few complications here and there, but overall I'm happy with how it turned out, and I did some additions, so time to show you. So there it is. Added these stones here to have ourselves a little patio. Kaylin bought the umbrella. Stella's got her sand. And these water spitters were donated. The alligator, there's a duck, there's a little fish over here, the dog. I don't know if we're going to keep the dog. But now it's our nice little peaceful place to relax. Anywho, I guess I should be finished with it. Spent enough money on it, and time to focus on other things now. God bless. Bye.